Motherfucker, stop. Stop. What the fuck is wrong with you? What are the mat?
I'm out here trying to, oh my god. Trying to, can you get off of that? Okay, I'm gonna stand away from this.
You are not a gentle boy. You kind of are.
That's your leg.
She wants to get it so fucking bad.
Y'all, I was walking my dog and I seen this tree moving. Look at this shit. Will you move your big ass nose? Get out the way.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, that's such a cute smile.
Stay. 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 Okay, release.
What are you doing?
De la cintura y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir el olfato. Ahí vemos la enterramos.
We are not starting this. No.
Stop. Oh, sir.
Is that your dad?
Morning hugs.
Is that a hug, or are you going to try to keep him captive all day?